two numbers are in the ratio of 5:6, and by subtracting 12 from each of them, the ratio between the two numbers becomes 4:5. Find out the numbers. So let's assume that the two numbers are A and B, and it's given that the ratio between them is 5:6. Now in order to find out the original values, let's multiply a constant factor A with both the parts. So what will happen to the first part? 5 multiplied by A, the first number can be assumed as 5A, and the second term 6 multiplied by A, the second number will be 6A. Now we are supposed to subtract 12 from each of these numbers, right? So the first term would become 5A minus 12, and the second part would become 6A minus 12. Now once we subtract these two terms, we are going to get a new ratio 4:5. So which means 5A minus 12 is to 6A minus 12 becomes 4:5, right? And we know that we can rewrite ratios in the form of fractions. So let's do that. So 5A minus 12 divided by 6A minus 12 is equivalent to 4 upon 5. Now let's cross multiply and try to find out the A value. So when we cross multiply, 5 times 5A is going to give us 25A. 5 times 12 is going to give us 60, and that is equivalent to 4 times 6A is going to give us 24A, and 4 times 12 is going to give us 48, right? And 24A here. Now let's simplify. So we'll shift this to the opposite side. We'll shift this to the opposite side. So 1A is equivalent to 12. So the common multiplication factor is 12. Now it's very simple to find out the original numbers. So we assume the original numbers as 5A and 6A, right? So what is 5A and 6A gonna be? 5 times 12, the first number is gonna be 60, and 6 times 12, the second number is gonna be 72. So the two original numbers are 60 and 72. That's it. The same question can be done by using a smarter trick. So let's try that way. The two numbers are in the ratio of 5:6, right? Now we are trying to subtract 12 with both the terms, and when we subtract them, the ratio now changes to 4:5, right? So what is the change happening because of this subtraction of 12? The 5 parts in the first term changes to 4 parts. The 6 parts in the second term changes to 5 parts. So basically there is a change of 1 part, right? So can we say this change of 1 part is because of the subtraction of 12? So which means we can say that 1 part of the number is equivalent to 12, right? So how many parts are there in the first number? 5 parts. So what is going to be the first number? 5 times 12, 60. And how many parts are there in the second number? 6 parts. So what is going to be the second number? 6 times 12, that is going to be 72. So the two original numbers are 60 and 72.